Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To sign up for WeChat, go to your WeChat application and tap it open. At the bottom right, you'll be able to see the sign up button. Give it a tap and you can sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. Choose your option and on the next page, enter your name. Select your region on the next by tapping on it. From the list, select your country and on the next field, enter your phone number. Enter a password for your account. Tap on Agree to Terms of Service and finally tap on Sign Up. Go through the privacy policy and tap on I have read and agree to the terms above and tap Next. Tap on Got it. Allow access to photos, medias and files on your device by tapping on Allow. Allow access for WeChat to make and manage phone calls. Wait for a few seconds. On the next step, you'll need to verify. Tap on Start. Drag the slider below to fit the puzzle piece. Now, confirm your number by tapping on OK. Wait for a verification code to arrive on your phone number. Type in the code you received and tap on Login. Drag the slider below to fit the puzzle piece. And just like that, you'll be signed up for WeChat. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.